What if your glass could do more than just switch on and off? Meet the SGC Dimmable Transformer, built to give you full, variable control over your smart glass, anywhere between completely clear and fully frosted. Available in 50-watt, 100-watt, and 200-watt models, the SGC Dimmable Controller accepts both 110-volt AC input and outputs a clean 0 volts to 60 volts AC to power your PDLC film. At just 63 by 103 by 140 millimeters, the 50-watt model is compact enough to tuck neatly out of sight, and we have many clever solutions for discreetly placing or hiding transformers in any installation scenario. 3 ways to control your dimming. First, the wall dimmer. Connect it via RJ45 cable, and you get smooth, stepless adjustment of your frost level right from the wall. Second, RS485 integration. Plug directly into your smart home or building management system for fully automated programmatic control. And third, the wireless remote, operating on 433.92 MHz with a range of up to 25 meters. A dimmable option is available for both, a remote and a wall switch. One controller can power multiple PDLC glass partitions simultaneously, making installation clean and scalable. Always refer to your transformer manual for full wiring instructions before installation. Every SGC Dimmable Transformer is backed by a 12-month warranty, starting from the date it arrives at your destination. Precision, flexibility, control. That's the Smart Glass Country Dimmable Transformer.